Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be shooting an unboxing for my oh, I can't ever say this. It's like a tongue twister. My FabFitFun box for the fall season. I'm so excited. I know I forgot to do my summer one and I really liked it, but I just like totally forgot to do the unboxing, and by the time I remembered it, I was like, well, the fall one's about to come out. So we are going to shoot that. I'm sure you've seen ads and everything, but you know, you can customize them a little bit. So I kind of like it. I'm just really excited about the products that I found in here. So I figured I would share it with y'all. If you're interested in seeing more and seeing what I got in my box, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell your sisters, tell your friends. Hit that notification bell so you'll alert when I post new videos, and give me a thumbs up at the end. And be sure to keep watching. Okay, as you can see, I have my box here on my desk. I was going to do it a little bit differently just so y'all can see what's in it and be kind of cool like as I open it. I did open this already, and I did notice that my like the tissue paper that they put over this was ripped, which is kind of a bummer, but that's okay. You can see I have my Tatcha right here. My Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, which you know I love, is right here on my desk, ready to go. Still trying to figure out about this Smashbox Primer Water, and my Urban Decay All Nighter on my desk because I use it every day. So yeah, this is kind of, you can have a little sneak peek of behind the scenes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Voila. Okay, so we just have like little coupons in here. I don't know, for like the Luna bars. I guess they're not coupons. Oh yeah, they are. $3 off 1 box of Luna bars on Amazon with discount code 3LunaFFF. FabFitFun. So it always comes with little things like this. If anyone is interested in getting $10 off your first FabFitFun box, go ahead and comment below, and the first person that responds will get a coupon code. Leave me your Instagram handle so I can DM you. We have a HelloFresh $50 gift card, I guess, $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. That's kind of cool. And then there's always a like magazine talking about the products and things like that, which is kind of cool. It kind of tells you, like, one of the things I got was like this teapot. So it says, tip, use 1 teaspoon of leaves per cup of tea. So it just gives you little tips and tricks like that in here, and like what they're for, how much they're worth, like the beauty blenders on here before using, wet the sponge with water and squeeze out excess liquid. So it just has things like that, which is pretty cool. So, and this is like what it says, like is in every box, and then different options depending on what you picked. So yeah, this is kind of fun to flip through. And then normally this is like all the way over here and like closed, and there's always a cute little sticker, but I don't know what happened. Mine was ripped and open. So yeah, here is the first layer. So first thing, we have the Ground Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream with Camellia Geranium Blossom. I'm not really sure what this is. I guess it says day cream, but ooh, that's really pretty packaging. We have a Luna Rica cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. So these are like the coupons that you saw, so just a little sample of that. I don't eat cashews, but my husband would like that probably. Let's see, we have the Touch and Soul Metallic Lip Foil Lipstick Duo, and this is in number 2 penny. Okay, so we have, it's like a double-sided, that's kind of cool. So we have a more metallic side. Okay, is this a lipstick? Yeah, lipstick. I really could not pull that off, but it's so pretty. It's like a pretty copper. And then on this side is a more glittery, it looks like more like a gloss. Yeah, it feels like a gloss, but oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. So one's like more matte metallic, and then this one's like more shiny lip gloss, like glittery lip gloss. It's really pretty. Wow, see those colors? So next we have 2 Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. So there's 2 of them in here. I've never used anything from Glam Glow, but obviously people love it. So I'm really excited for this. I know a lot of people really like this one. I've never had a bubble mask. I'm really interested. First of its kind Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask with green tea. Wow, okay, so this will be kind of cool. I'm going on vacation, so I'll definitely want to try these out before I go. Let's see, let's go here next. We have the Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Okay, it tells you brewing times on here. Oh, this is open. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I won't unwrap that completely, but like look at that pretty little design on there. It's just a teapot. It has like a little handle. Here's a little spot right here. So cute. I love tea. Okay, next thing we have in here is the Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. So it's just like a tea towel kind of thing, gray and ivory. So it comes with two. It's just a set of towels. They're really pretty. They don't look like they're going to be like super absorbent, but they're really nice. We'll see. I'll have to try them out. Hopefully they're pretty decent. I like pretty towels like this, which are like neutral and can go with a lot of different things. Okay. Next we have the, look at this. This is a full-size product, you guys, which I know all of them have been, but like this is legit. Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. I guess it's just a body wash. Shower gel, yeah. Let's see how this smells. Oh, it's sealed. Just tried to sniff that, you guys. I mean, it doesn't smell like anything spectacular, but it doesn't smell bad. So, I'm interested. I've never heard of this brand or anything, but the Italian Collection, limited edition number 7. Sweet. Okay. Next we have the, I don't know what that says, CWO. The Cobra wireless earbuds. So they're white, and there was another black option, but I obviously chose to get the white ones. Looks like there's little pink accents. So they're rechargeable, plays for 4 hours. Wow, that's not a long time. With their Bluetooth. Let's see what these look like. Oh, look at that. That was open too. Maybe they're supposed to be like that. See that? Okay. Oh, maybe it was just supposed to be like that. So it's just like a little Bluetooth set of earbuds. Oh yeah, they do have pink accents. Very cute. And apparently somewhere it recharges. Oh, and then there's like a little port right here. Let's see. Right there. That you can charge them with. I wish they lasted a little bit longer than 4 hours, but it's not horrible. These look really cute. Like that just looks cute like that. So like sleek and fun. Next we have, let's see. Oh, the Vince Camuto leather bag. You see that? Look how cute that is. So it's just like just a nice leather. It feels like really nice, luxurious leather. It's like raw leather on the inside. It's not like a tote bag, like you can see like it's flat on the bottom, but I feel like it would be like really good for like carrying like your school, like for a school bag where you can carry some good stuff. Yeah, it says it's real leather. And it has like this cute gray accent right here too. I would say it's like you could definitely fit like a full-size laptop in here, maybe a water bottle, your planner. That'd be really nice. I don't really know what I would wear with it yet, but I'm sure I will figure out something. And and last but not least, I got a new beauty blender. So I got the tan one, which is kind of gross, but I don't know. I don't hate it, but I mean, I know I see everyone with them. I just wish it was like a pink one or like a cute color, or the black one. I really wanted the black one, but that's okay. I needed a new beauty blender. I was so excited. I like it because like you can't see the stains, but at the same time, like it's hard to know when it's dirty, except for when it's like crusty. But yeah, that is the full fall FabFitFun box. I hope you found this interesting. I really liked it. I guess I can show you me. I have my tripod on here really weird, which is why like my angles are all funny and I look like this. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. I know I have done quite a few subscription boxes. Well, not quite a few, but a couple. And I just really, really like subscription boxes. I feel like it's a really great way to like get new products. And generally they're pretty affordable. This one's $50 a season. So it comes out to $200 a year. You can get your first one for $40. There's so many coupon codes everywhere, but you know, I have one too that I can now share with somebody. I also like obviously use this I also obviously get the Sephora Play box. I love that box. And yeah, so I just really love subscription boxes. Sorry, I'm moving. Let me know what subscription boxes y'all use, because I am always interested in finding more. Don't tell Michael. Oops. But yeah, thanks for stopping by, you guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, tell your sisters, tell your friends, hit that notification bell so you alert when I post new videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like this, if you liked this kind of thing, just so I know. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!